Hi, in this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal and send to another wallet. So first, you just have to simply open or launch your PayPal application. And then here on your PayPal, what you're going to do next is you have to simply scroll down and then tap Finances. Under Finances, you have to look for crypto since there are three choices here. Balance, Savings, Crypto, tap Crypto. And then here under crypto, you should see Bitcoin here. So under buy, sell, and hold crypto, you have to scroll down and then click Bitcoin. Once you tap Bitcoin, all you have to do is to see this. And then beside this buy button, there is this icon, like two arrows right here, left and right. So you have to click this one. And then you have the option send BTC, receive, convert. So you have to click the send BTC here. Now it will show you this one. So you have two options again, buy BTC and receive BTC instead. So first, we are going to buy BTC. So click buy BTC here. Now choose a payment method. So you can buy via MasterCard or any card, debit card right here. You can link a new debit card if you don't have yet, link a new bank account, or you have to click this don't see all of your payment methods. So for me, I'm going to click my debit card. So click the first one here. And then after that, you have to simply review everything. Once everything is correct, and then all you have to do is to click buy BTC, tap this one, this blue button below. And then after that, you will see this congratulations, you have purchased Bitcoin. After that, what you're going to do next is you have to go back, and then this time you're going to click this two arrows again. And then this time you have to click the send BTC. And then here, this is where you're going to paste, or this is where you're going to look for your contact. So after you have paste address here, all you have to do is to tap next and then proceed with the instruction. And that's it. That's how you basically buy Bitcoin on PayPal and send to another wallet. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.